So within seconds, the entire contract is ready, right? So it starts with the definition: what is company, what is employee, what is probation period, right? Confidential. On day 166, we explored BharatLaw AI, an AI tool that helps you with Indian law. But what if you need more than just answers? What if you want to write legal agreements, summarize case laws, generate compliance checklists, or even compare landmark cases side by side, all without touching a law book? Welcome to day 190 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Today we are checking out LogicBalls, an AI-powered tool that helps you with 3D, draft, decode, and document legal content in minutes. From contracts to compliance, it's basically like having a mini law firm in your browser. So let's check it out. So to begin, we head over to logicballs.com and it has already opened a group focus which asking me to register using my Google account. I'll click on it and I am all set. So as you can see, this has a lot of AI tools: image generation, image editor, voice generation, AI detector, chat assistant, YouTube transcript, AI agents, and so on. So what we are exploring today is AI tools, and we have to click on switch tool where we can see what are the tools available. So there are so many tools available. Okay, let's go with legal assistant, right? And compliance maybe, right? So you can see all the other things that match the criteria that we have set. I'll directly head over to this particular link, which is basically tools, then legal document drafting generator, right? And within this, we have AI legal research summary generator. Then we have AI legal case summary generator, AI legal billing statement generator, law penalties, AI discovery request generator, deposition summary generator, AI legal correspondence generator, compliance reporting generator, and contract summary generator. Let's go with the first one. We are starting with the AI legal document drafting generator, and we have to give the inputs over here. Okay, like we can see, we have to give what is the document type, that's employment contract for us, case details. So I'm going to add the details over here, which is agreement between Technova Private Limited and John Doe for a full-time software engineer position starting July 1st, 2025 with a salary of $80,000 per year and a 3 months probation. Click on submit text. Also, while this is getting generated, we can see that we could change the tone from casual, formal, and then we also have funny. I'm not sure if any legal document would be funny, but yeah, funny, humble, joyful, urgent, worried, critical, humorous, convincing, passionate, thoughtful, informative, and inspirational. So within seconds, the entire contract is ready, right? So it starts with the definition: what is company, what is employee, what is probation period, right? Confidential information, and so on and so forth. Then it starts with roles and responsibility. It talks about the compensation. It talks about probation period. It talks about confidentiality and non-compete. It talks about termination. It talks about work hours and location, and intellectual property, dispute resolution, signature, and everything is done, right? That is AI legal document drafting generator for you. We'll cover one more, maybe compliance reporting generator, and we can give the details over here. Okay, I'll use the examples from here: GDPR, let's say QCon 2025, and compliant, right? And missing documentation, so that becomes non-compliant. Audit logs, right? So I've given just the examples from here. Submit text. So basically, as you can see, this is a compliance report generator. So based on whatever we have given, it will generate a report for us. And there you go. So it starts with GDPR compliant report, Q1 2025 framework. It gives some details, period. It gives the period. Controls identified as non-compliant, so missing documentation, evidence, audit logs. And it gives some more details. Of course, we can edit it. right, before we can submit. One more interesting thing over here is to compare two cases. Let's go to legal and check out the compare. Thanks. So let me click on this. And so we have to give two cases over here. So the first case could be this one. The second case would be this one. So I've added both of this. Click on submit text, and now it will start searching for these two cases to give us a comparison of two cases. I hope it finds both the cases. And there you go. So we've got the comparison. Let's dive into two landmark Supreme Court cases that shaped the fight for equality in the US, right? So we have the first case and then the second case. Both dealt with racial segregation, but their messages and legacies couldn't be more different. Here's the breakdown, served with a side of real-world context and a dash of humanity. So it gives what is the first case about, what is the second case about, and what's the contrast, right? And what's the overlap. So unlike BharatLaw AI, which helps you get answers based on Indian law, LogicBalls goes beyond that. It doesn't just tell you what the law says. It helps you write it, summarize it, analyze it, and also compare two landmark cases. Now, it's not going to replace a lawyer, but for students, founders, paralegals, or even practicing professionals looking to save time, this tool is an upgrade. So do give it a try, especially for document creation or summarizing. And of course, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.